Okay, so the starter is in. Oh, you can kind of see the solenoid there. It's kind of shiny. Forgive me. First time with the camera. I can just stick it down in there and see what it looks like. Well, I can't really see what I'm recording, but anyways, there's a new starter. So I gotta hook the battery up, the air cleaner on, the cab back down, got the dash tore out of it because I didn't quite know what was going on. It took a little while to figure it out. Ended up putting a new battery in it before got it figured out, or I think I got it figured out. Let's try that quick. See if it does anything. It does, but I ain't gonna start it like this because this little machine will take off if you're not running, holding the lever right where it needs to be. So it's not the safest, but it sure is handy. Yeah, so I'm gonna, I gotta fix the fuel gauge too. There's a bad wire that runs up in here, but I think I'm gonna get it started and lift this arm up so I can get in there easy.